Which of the following can be inferred from the passage? Jackendorf is a compositional theorist. So where is Jackendorf mentioned? Jackendorf is mentioned here. And who is he? He's a cognitive scientist, and he says that the limitations of composition theorist could have been prevented with the help of some language. But we cannot say that he is a compositional theorist. That is not true. Jackendorf objects to Bickerton's compositional theory. Jackendorf is saying that there are simple ways to fix some problems with the theories, but he is not objecting to the theory. So this is not correct. The author is a holistic theorist. That is not true. In fact, the author does lean towards holistic theory because he says that compositional theories have led us in the wrong direction. Right? So he is a fan of holistic theories, but he is himself not a holistic theorist. This is not correct. Both the author and Jackendorf recognize limitations of Bickerton's compositional theory. This is correct. The author obviously knows the limitations, and Jackendorf, as we saw here earlier, he is also aware of the limitations. So both of them are aware of limitations. So this is going to be a correct answer. Let's keep it for now. Holistic theories do not have as much general acceptance as compositional theories. Now we don't know anything about the acceptance of compositional theories, but the author does say that the compositional theories have been highly influential, but this does not lead us to believe that holistic theories do not have general acceptance. So this will be very far-fetched. So this is not correct. So the correct answer here is D.